maybe they
We don't want to do that. It's like 2 days.
yeah, we'll finish that.
The next stop is Marble Stadium.
And take advantage of the long summer days by experiencing the many events, festivals and attractions on during summer. Take a break from the heat at Melbourne's many parks and gardens. Discover Captain Cook's Cottage and see if you can find Fairy Street in shade-filled Victoria Gardens. Just an easy stroll from Stop 8 Spring Street in Flinders Street. Appreciate the ornate beauty of the World Heritage Site-listed Royal Exhibition Building, the meeting place of Australia's first federal parliament, in Carlton Gardens, at Stop 9 Victoria Street in Tram Street. And enjoy a romantic hunt from the ornamental lake at the lush Royal Botanic Gardens. A short walk from any tram on St. Kilda Road to Stop 19 Shrine of Remembrance. For more information about what's on this summer, pick up the Melbourne Visitors Guide, available on board this tram or at the Visitor Centre in Melbourne Town Hall or the Bed Street Mall.
The next stop is Central Pier and Harbour Esplanade. Step on here to the heritage-listed cargo sheds and enjoy a drink at one of the atmospheric bars located right on the water. Continue your journey to NewQuay on foot, a 10-minute stroll along the water's edge. The river and waterways have an important role in traditional culture and the history of Melbourne's development. These areas have been redeveloped and now provide some of the most contemporary entertainment destinations and examples of public art the city has to offer. Dining destination and hotspot for after-work drinks. Enjoy international cuisine by the water, including Moroccan, Japanese, Greek, Spanish, and glorious Mediterranean-style seafood. Indulge in fine dining overlooking the boats on Victoria Harbour, or grab a gelato, take a stroll harbourside and bask in a romantic sunset. Continue to wind down on Sunday at the Docklands Sunday Market. Browse an eclectic range of stalls along the promenade, or or just sip a coffee and enjoy a lazy breakfast at one of the many cafes as you watch the market bustle. Located on the promenade, the market sells arts and crafts, second-hand items and clothes, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sundays.